What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. In today's video I want to share with you kind of like a beautiful car, you feel me? Beautiful car, man. So what I would like to do, before we getting straight to the video, guys, I would like you to like this video, please, to share and comment down below what you think about my videos, guys, because that's very important for me. Just give me some couple of feedbacks and all this stuff. So subscribe, like it, but do what the hell you want. So let's jump right into the video, guys. Let's get it.